Hi, welcome to gym360. Let's explore the new feature, Split Payment. After choosing a member, go to Mark Payment. Select the subscription type, plan, and duration from the drop-down options. Then choose the subscription start date. After selecting the plan start date, click Next to proceed. Now choose the payment mode and select the date of payment. If you need to apply discount on the plan selected, enter discount value in the discount section provided. If tax is applicable for you, the Apply Inclusive Tax checkbox will be selected by default. If the customer pays full amount, then just click Next to move on. If the customer makes an payment in parts, then tick the Split Payment box and enter the payment made, and then choose the next payment date. After selecting the next payment due date, click the Next button. Verify all details, select Send Receipt to email it to the customer, if needed, and click Confirm to complete the transaction. Close the tab, and the subscription will be activated for the customer. You can see that now above the subscription section, there is a pending payments section available. Here the payment that is due by the customer and due date will be visible. Using the Pay button below the due amount, you will be able to settle the balance payment. If the customer wishes to make another payment, you can use the Split Payment option again to accommodate it. Now if you go to the transaction section, you can see the part payment made against the customer. A receipt will be generated with a sequential receipt number, while the invoice number and date will remain the same as the initial transaction. Once the customer settles the full due amount, you can mark the payment as fully settled in the member section. Once the full payment is settled, the customer's payment status will update to paid instead of partially paid, and the balance due will show as 0. That's it. Thank you and have a nice day.